The front view of the motorhome is a bold statement of luxury and innovation. It features a wide, aerodynamic grille with sleek LED headlights that wrap around the sides, offering a futuristic look. The glossy body, chrome accents, and sculpted lines highlight its modern design. Large panoramic windows dominate the front, enhancing visibility for the driver and giving it a commanding presence on the road. Integrated fog lights and a sturdy front bumper offer both style and function. The raised hood and low stance add to its aggressive yet refined appearance, making it a standout wherever it goes. Inside, the motorhome reveals a clean, open layout with premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and state-of-the-art technology. Every detail is crafted for both style and comfort. The bedroom offers a relaxing escape, designed with soft ambient lighting, a plush queen-size mattress, and wall-mounted smart controls. Large windows with blackout shades provide privacy and adjustable lighting. Overhead storage and side closets ensure ample space for personal belongings. The warm tones of the interior woodwork combined with high-quality finishes give it a cozy, residential feel. Soft carpeting underfoot and a mounted flat-screen TV add home-like touches. The bedroom is both peaceful and stylish, a perfect place to unwind. The kitchen is a fully functional culinary space featuring a sleek countertop, stainless steel sink, and a high-end induction cooktop. It includes a convection microwave, spacious refrigerator, and ample cabinet storage with soft close doors. The LED lighting under the cabinets adds visibility and modern flair. Stylish backsplash tiling enhances the aesthetic appeal, while built-in USB ports and smart appliances make cooking efficient. Every element, from layout to lighting, is designed to provide a high-end cooking experience on the road, without compromising convenience or style.